So in today's video, we are going to be sublimating on these Dollar Tree sandals. These are the Juncture Women's flip-flops from Dollar Tree. So if you want to see me attempt this and see if you can actually sublimate on them, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut and sublimation videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump right into the video, guys. You're going to need your sandals. You're going to need your design printed on sublimation paper with sublimation ink. You're going to need some heat tape. You can find this link down below on the description along with the dispenser. Heat tape is very important. You don't want to use regular tape. It is going to melt and you don't want that. So you need heat resistant tape, and you're going to need some butcher paper and a heat press. In this case, I'm gonna be using my easy press, and let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna just take everything off of our sandals. Okay, so we're gonna take off these things. So you're just gonna kind of push them through. Careful not to break it. So now that we have all of that off, we're just gonna lint roll it. Might feel weird to do to chanclas, but okay, so we got all our lint. Look at all that lint that actually came off of it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but that was a lot of lint. So now we're going to put our sandals on the paper. I printed an 8.5 by 11 sheet because I knew that would be enough, so you don't need a lot of paper. And once you have it where you want it, you can take your heat tape and just tape it down. Okay, so now that we have our design, our chanclas all set up, we're gonna get our easy press mat. Since I'm gonna be doing this with my easy press, we're gonna get our mat. Get some butcher paper to protect your mat. Okay, so now we're gonna take our easy press. We're gonna press at 300 degrees for 60 seconds. And I'm gonna have to do this in sections. And I'm not using butcher paper on top because I'm using, honestly speaking, paper, and you don't need butcher paper on top. So I'm gonna lift it up and move it to the other side and do the same thing. Okay, so now we're gonna lift it up. I'm gonna take my heat gloves. I'm gonna just start lifting it up. I feel like it needs more time. So we're gonna try it again. Okay, so we're gonna check it again. It still looks the same. Okay, so now we're gonna take our things and we're gonna put them back in. Probably be easier to do while it's still hot because it's more flexible. So overall, they turned out cute. The design is not super vibrant, and that could have something to do just with the pressure that I got with the easy press. With my heat press, maybe there would be more vibrant. Maybe it would be more vibrant because there are some parts, can you see that? There are some parts where it's more vibrant because, you know, those parts touch the easy press more. But they're still really cute, and you can turn simple white flip-flops or plain flip-flops at Dollar Tree to more summery flip-flops, which are really, really cool. I think they're cute, even though they're not as vibrant as I thought they were going to be. If you guys try this out and you're able to get more of a vibrant look, please comment down below. Let me know how you did it. I'm not using my heat press because it's hot and the AC is on in my daughter's room, and if I turn on the heat press with the AC, it's going to blow the fuse because they're connected to the same fuse box or whatever. So that's the only reason why I'm not using my heat press. But like I said, if you guys try something and it works out better than what I did, please let me know down below what you guys tried out. Let me know down below what videos you want to see. I have a bunch of Dollar Tree videos coming soon. And if you have not already, please subscribe. Make sure to watch my Sublimation playlist. If you're new to Sublimation, I have a ton of videos there, including what you need to get started with Sublimation. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for 4,000 subscribers. I love you. Bye.